Good day, esteemed judges, energy titans, and fellow innovators. My name is Tumi Adiwi, and I'm the team lead. Here with me is
Hamida Yusuf Maman.
We are Team Premier Academy, builders of the next generation energy solar grid. We are inspired by the daily blackouts that cripple learning and productivity in our communities. Also by the very high cost of initial installation of solar electricity, which makes it a no-go area for average Nigerians. When the national grid collapses and generators fail and learning is on hold, we ask ourselves these questions. What if we build a central renewable power supply that these people can connect to and use without buying any expensive accessories? What if we can have our prepaid meters in our pockets, right in our gadgets, so we can recharge without going to the physical to type long digits? What if this mobile prepaid meter can serve as a central power control system, current protection device, and energy theft prevention equipment for our homes? What if power could manage itself intelligently? These questions birth Project PASG, our energy titan solution. Our Project PASG, the Premier Academy Smart Solar Grid, is an AI-powered renewable energy village designed to make solar energy affordable, reliable, and self-healing for schools and homes in Nigeria. Nigeria faces two major energy problems: a failing national grid, which means blackouts everywhere, expensive and unreliable private solar setups, which is supposed to be a trusted alternative. Nigeria generates about 13,000 megawatts of electricity, but only about 4,500 megawatts gets to Nigerians due to some constraints. Imagine if bulk of these 4,500 megawatts is automatically channeled to where they are needed the most at every given time. For example, in offices, schools, and factories in the day, and at night and in the weekend, only in the homes. Energy wastage will be minimized by over 50%. Many homes can't afford solar because of high upfront costs. And even when they do, poor installation quality leads to energy waste and frequent breakdowns. So our mission was clear: build a system that solves cost, quality, and efficiency all at once. This is our energy village prototype, the Premier Academy Smart Solar Grid, which contains our inverter, our solar panel, mobile device, our home for testing, and our battery. So we're going to focus on the prepaid meter. Up here, as you can see, is the components of the prepaid meter, which includes a screen where you can see the voltage, the current, and the power used, and a relay used for remote control with our microprocessor that contains all the code for our AI integration. Now, when our system is turned up, as you can see on the screen, it's showing us energy used per hour in kilowatt hours and our balance. The reason for showing this balance is to ensure that you are always aware when your credit is low and when you need to recharge. Now, over to my teammates who will show us what's going on from the mobile end.
To access the prepaid meter dashboard, you have to input the IP address which is being displayed on the prepaid meter into your mobile device. It prompts for a username which is PASG and password. This is the dashboard. The dashboard shows various information like balance of your recharge, the voltage, current, and the power being used by your home. It also shows the system status, that's whether your power is on or off, fault status, if there's any problem with your home or not, self-detection, that's show if someone is tapping your power supply or not, and total energy being used by your home, which is measured in kilowatts per hour. It also shows your remote on and off button, which controls power supply to your premises. You can turn it off or turn it on from here. PASG is built around our AI-powered Automated Power Scheduler, APS, the intelligent brain of our mini-grid. The APS constantly analyzes who needs power the most, whether it's the school block during lessons or homes at night. It then distributes power dynamically, ensuring no energy is wasted. Next, we built our smart meters, the muzzle of our grid. They receive commands from the AI to throttle non-critical power use, preventing overloads by setting overcurrent and undercurrent thresholds on your prepaid meter app, preventing energy theft, and also serve as central control for our homes, as the whole house can be switched off from your phone. And this innovation enables our pay-as-you-go model, PAG. Customers don't pay huge setup costs. They simply pay for the energy they use through a prepaid meter. Simple, affordable, and sustainable. Together, these systems make PASG affordable, efficient, and self-managing. Our energy village has two main grids, school load and residential load. Let's simulate daytime mode when classes are in session. The AI detects the school's peak period and prioritizes the school load. The school lights glow bright while residential load reduces automatically. No blackout, just balance. Now, we simulate a fault in the residential circuit. Within seconds, the system isolates the fault, keeping the school powered. No manual reset, no downtime. That's self-healing automation in action. This is how PASG keeps the lights on, even when failure strikes. When total blackout occurs, say zero solar input or battery drain, or there is transmission breakage due to short circuit or overload, PASG blackout recovery algorithm automatically shuts down non-critical loads first, preserving energy for essential systems like classrooms or medical units. And in case of faults, it shuts down the fault distribution line and automatically switches to an alternative line, restoring power automatically. Once the battery is recharged, the AI restores full power smoothly without damaging appliances. Our system is sustainable because it uses renewable solar energy. It has remote diagnostics, reducing maintenance costs. It operates on pay-as-you-go, ensuring continuous revenue and system upkeep. By combining technology, affordability, and education, PASG is built to grow and sustain itself for decades.
PASG impacts lives by ensuring uninterrupted learning for schools and reliable comfort for homes. It saves energy, reduces pollution, and empowers communities with smarter technology.
Our innovation is unique because it merges AI intelligence, IoT metering, and financial accessibility, all built by students. We are Team Premier Academy, the creators of Project PASG, the smart solar village that thinks for itself. Together, we are powering Nigeria's future, one smart village at a time.
Vote for Project PASG.